Good day to all respective employer in Hong Kong. My name is Jennifer Vihuela, 37 years old. I live in Bulacan City. I'm happily married. I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. I am Catholic. I am high school graduate. I have experience as domestic helper in here in Philippines in 4 years, since 2020 to 2024. I serve the 5 member of the family, 2 adults, 1 years old baby, 5 years old children, 60 years old elderly. My duties and responsibilities taking care of the baby, cleaning the house, cooking, washing and ironing the clothes, car washing and gardening. To my future employers, I hoping and I praying to pick me up as your nanny, as your helper, madam and sir. Don't worry. I promise to you I will taking care of your children, and also I'm loving and an honest and God-fearing. So please hire me as your helper. And see you soon in Hong Kong. God bless you. Thank you.